In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Hostinger website. If you no longer need a website in your Hostinger account, the process is very quick, but it's also important to understand that deleting a website is permanent. That means once it's removed, you may not be able to restore its files, settings, or content later. So make sure you're deleting the correct site before you confirm anything. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your hosting services, websites, and account settings. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one website. From the dashboard, click on Websites. This will open the section where all of the websites connected to your hosting account are listed. Here, you should be able to see each site you currently manage through Hostinger. Next, locate the specific website you want to permanently delete. It's a good idea to double-check the website name before moving forward, particularly if you have multiple sites that look similar or belong to the same project. Taking an extra second here can help you avoid deleting the wrong website by mistake. Once you've found the correct website, look for the three dots next to it. These dots usually open a small menu with additional management options for that site. Click the three dots and then click Delete. After that, Hostinger will typically ask you to confirm the action. Read the confirmation message carefully because this is the point where the deletion becomes final. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion of the website. And that's it. Your Hostinger website will be permanently deleted. As a final tip, before deleting any website, it's always smart to make sure you've saved any important files, databases, or content you may want later. Even if you're confident you won't need the site again, having a backup can save you a lot of trouble in the future. So once again, the process is simple. Sign in to Hostinger, go to the Websites section, find the site you want to remove, click the three dots beside it, and choose Delete. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll be able to permanently remove the website without confusion.